everyone, welcome to our presentation about salad. This is our ingredient and sourcing for our ingredients. So we first off by cutting our chicken. So we are cutting chicken right now and then we smash it. Now we're going to fry our chicken and add a little bit of salt and pepper to enhance our flavor of chicken. Now we're cooking it, so the boiling chicken is 8 minutes. And now we're cutting our chicken. And this is our boiled chicken. So now this is the final results. And now we're at Macro to buy our ingredients. So this is all the vegetables that we need for our salad. So now you can see the carbon footprints of the ingredient. Now first we start by cutting our carrots. So now we wash our vegetables. So we wash our vegetable for 5 minutes and the water footprints is 25 L. So now let's start making our salad, and this is all our ingredients. So we start off by putting our vegetables into the bowl. Now we're cutting the carrots. So now we are putting our yogurt into our salad to provide more flavor. And now we put our lemon into our salad to add more flavor as well. Now we're adding chicken and boiled egg. Lastly, for our final touch, we add a little bit of salt. And this is the final look of our salad. So this is our food waste management. Step 1 is establishing our waste audit baseline. You can manage what you don't measure. We start by weighing and categorizing every single byproduct from vegetables, offcuts to wastewater. This gives us a full snapshot of where ingredients might be slipping through the cracks. Step 2 is upcycling innovation. We focus on turning unavoidable scraps into purposeful resources. For example, rather than tossing lettuce and carrot trimmings, they are simmered into vegetable vegetable stock, eggshells are grounded into calcium powder for soil, and yogurt where whey is whisked into sauces. We keep the value inside the kitchen. Step 3 involve prevention strategies. This is about shaping our daily routine to create less waste. About the outset, we adhere to strict first in first out inventory practices to use ingredients at their peak. Step 4 is end-of-life planning. For anything that remains, we ensure a responsible exit path through composting and recycling partners. Finally, step 4 is end-of-life planning. For anything that remains, we ensure a responsible exit path through composting and recycling partners. If you look at our data, the results of this plan are projected to be impactful. We are targeting a 60% reduction in organic waste from trimmings and eggshells. Through reusable bulk containers, we aim to cut packaging waste by 71%. We're even targeting a 50% reduction in wastewater through controlled rinsing. We analyzed the specific carbon impact for our waste streams, finding that composting organic scraps like lemon peels and eggshells generated a positive carbon credit roughly about 0.000022 tons. Conversely, the incineration of our plastic packaging created a significant carbon burden, with the HDPE yogurt container alone contributing to 0.00285 ton of CO2. This data clearly demonstrate that while organic decomposition is beneficial, our most urgent environmental priority must be reducing reliance on single-use plastics. Beyond waste, we calculate the total environmental cost of producing a single salad. First, looking at carbon, our total footprint is approximately 0.063 tons of CO2. The data reveals a crucial insight. The energy used for boiling chickens and eggs is minimal. The vast majority of our carbon emissions actually come from the ingredients themselves, specifically the production of green oak lettuce, which contributes the single largest share at 0.055 tons. When we turn to water, the numbers are even more striking. The total water footprint for this one meal is over 1,500 liters. However, only about 80 liters are used during the kitchen preparation. The remaining 1,400 liters are hidden in the supply chain, consumed entirely by growing the vegetables and raising the chicken before they ever reach our kitchen. This analysis confirms that while our kitchen efficiency is good, the true sustainability of our bowl depends heavily on the farming practices of the ingredients we choose to source. And thank you for listening to us.